to the person that feels a lot of anxiety in his or her life. I used to be like that as well. Luckily, most of my time anyway, not anymore. That I don't feel anxiety anymore, you know. You have to realize that basically you feeling so anxious is not your fault, because look at YouTube, all about AI, who's gonna end humanity when it boils down to, and who's gonna replace you and your job, and you will be jobless, and you will be poor, and you will be... This is all marketing, anxiety marketing. This is to get you clicked on their video. CEO, Diaries of a CEO or something is very good at that, which I do not like. They look at their pattern of titles and thumbnails. It's all to make you scared and to get acknowledged, like, whoa, the world is even a lot more worse than that you are scared of, you know, because the end of the world is coming, World War III is coming, extinction of humanity is coming, and you will be fucked, basically. And that is only marketing in the hopes to get the most click-through rate and people watching the channel. And that is their main aim, you know. And I refuse to play that game. I don't want to make people feel scared when I talk. You know, I want to make them feel more themselves and looking at themselves. What is good in you? What is not so good in you? Can you improve what is not so good in you? Because basically that's your subconscious going against you. Watch my video about the brutal truth, why you are so unhappy in general in your life, if you are. Anyway, society and social media is based on anxiety marketing, because that gives them the biggest amount of click-through rates and watch time. And I refuse to take part of that game.